Hello friends, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ടൂളിന്റെ പേരാണ് Power Ad Spy. Basically to ad spy ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടൂൾ ആണ്. So I personally feel this is like one of the best tool to track all your social media competitors ads in one single place. So basically AFB, Google, Instagram, YouTube, Google Display Network, Native, Reddit, Quora ads, all together one single place that we will provide in there. And I really love this tool, and you can just check out the pricing what they are having. It's a yearly amount, and you can buy around 200 something. Let's see that what is the price, and I think it's a worth of using. Like you have like a free options also, you can just check out, and let's see that what is the price. This is the free option, so free you can sign up and you can get basic ideas about this. So 100 searches per 1000 ads for 10 days. So that is the free package, and they have paid features monthly $49 per month. I suggest you to go ahead, have this tool into your list so that you can just go and spy on all your competitors. So that's it. In this particular, let's dive into live video. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മളിത് ചെയ്യാറ്, like how do you track. So if you want advanced version, if you want to track everything, you need to pay $299 per month. So let's get into live site. So this is a live site, how it's look like. So you can see that we have options like നമുക്ക് filter create ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, നമുക്ക് search ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, domain name വെച്ചിട്ട് search ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, keyword വെച്ചിട്ട് search ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So let's continue with our last video. നമ്മൾ weight loss ന്റെ ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ search ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. So let's go with the weight loss only. Weight loss. So let's search weight loss, and you have option to select weight loss, sort by text in image, brand image, object in image, celebrity in image. So ഇത്ര options നമുക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് features ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Then sort by like, share, comment. Then filter like in the call to action ആണ് country. If you wanted to track country, ഏത് countryയിലാണ് ആ particular section വരുന്നത്, so you can track India. Ad type, എന്ത് ad type ആണ്, image ആണോ video ആണോ, so I don't mind. Position എവിടെയാണ് news feeds, right side column, so എവിടെയാണ് വരുന്നത്, so I don't mind to be setting up that. E-commerce platform, funnel, marketing platform, source, either source on desktop, Android, iOS, all sections you can see in one single place. So let's search. So basically Aspire is one of the, like, I personally feel it's a good place to go ahead. So weight loss in the ad going on Facebook, total number of 620 ads, you can see that. So this is the video, and weight loss challenge, 10 days weight loss challenge, and you can see that whenever you see a post, you will having option 79 people who join with us carry history of blah blah blah. So they have message, big message, and show original. You can see that original ad എങ്ങനെയാണ്. So even the Facebook, Instagram, നമുക്ക് ഫേസ്ബുക്ക്, ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം നമുക്ക് ഫേസ്ബുക്കിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും അവരുടെ ആഡ്സ് ലൈബ്രറിനകത്ത്. സോ for Facebook and Instagram, we don't have to worry too much, but other places are there where you need to track what are the things are going. So these are the things. See, yesterday also we have seen this ad, and see this one and this one, how the ad is going. Protein booster, so boost your immunity with nature dose of well-being. So vinegar. So you can see that these are the posts. And let's move to Instagram. So same thing, I will be focusing on Instagram. So Instagram ads, what kind of ads are going on. So you can see that do you qualify for weight loss procedures, take a quiz to find out. So quiz based ad running, medical weight loss information, Zoom meeting, now in location name, come see us in. So you can see that what are the products, what are the ads which are going on Instagram. So Instagram, the section 4141 ads are going. So even you can subscribe for this keyword weight loss. So now let's go and look for the YouTube. So YouTube na engante ads ana weight loss lo pogunnadu. You can just go and analyze that also in that particular segment. So you can see that YouTube na how Ayurveda, सेहत बनाए, वजन बढ़ाए, 15 दिन में फर्क देखे. So 15 days challenge, what they are saying, weight loss surgery changed, and how does weight WW work. So Weight Watchers book. So that is WW or a short format. So you can see that YouTube nathu pone ads, how these ads are going. And even you can watch this, you can analyze this, see analytics. So let's play this one. You can see that 30 minutes ad, 31 seconds. So ad is there. And I think it's going for the 28 seconds reader. This is the ID and he got converted into this. So that's the way how he got converted. We'll watch that into YouTube itself. So you can see that this is the hospital which is presenting with ads. So that's why you can see this. And next ad. അത് കൂടാതെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ അനലിറ്റിക്സ് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. So you can see that how many likes, how many other information related to that particular ad you can see here. And you can watch complete segments in one place. So you can see that how many likes, comments, viewers, dislikes, and when they started on 30 June 2021 and scaled here. So now they are scaling it. So this actually working. That's why they are scaling it. So you can see that what are the country they are targeting. They are targeting United States only. And similar ads, see analytics. So how many views they got, all the sections you can see 1.4k view they got for this ad. So now let's move to another one, Google Ads. So Google Ads you can see that how Google Ads would be like. So you can just go and search for the so let's see that if there's something on weight loss. So weight loss, Google Gold Nutrition order now. So these are the weight loss related products and how the keywords, what are they are targeting, all the sections you can see that. Biotox Gold Nutrition. So let's see that their ad. So you can just analyze that what are the product is running on that particular thing and advertisement run on ad say they run. So you can see that Biotox Gold. So this is the product. I think it's affiliate product on Amazon ClickBank product underworld. So you can see that these are the ads going on for this Gold Nutrition. United States മാത്രമാണ് target ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് and ഇപ്പോഴാണ് തുടങ്ങിയത് first scene, last scene and post date. So this is the order now. And this is the landing page, even though you can find the landing page also. Landing page so how this landing page works. So this is the landing page. So bestproduct.com. So you see that access fat melting. So that is the YouTube, Google Ads. So GDN network, you can just see that. So you can go with copy this keyword. Every time it's going away. So I wanted to have weight loss related. So you can see that this is the trigger rapid weight loss. So people when see this kind of post, curiosity on. So either manila weight loss over. So that kind of curiosity they get and that kind of ad will go very well. So you can see that these are the ad basically going on our Google ad network. Then native ads, you can just click on the native ads. Native ads like Outbrain, Taboola, angata parna sites na weight loss related. You can see that how CNN by Outbrain na these are the by Outbrain. So doctor, so weight loss. So this is a good creative. See, he wanted to be his like this, so that's a good one. So and these are the things goes on Outbrain. These are the Taboola. Outbrain, Taboola, you can see that these are the sections. Outbrain. So this is the way you can go for the native ads. Now let's get into more interesting field, that is Reddit. So normally Reddit nathe engane ad bodu nammal track cheyalida. So now let's see that how Reddit nathe you can see that change These kind of ads you can't run on Facebook, Instagram, or the policy violations out. So you can check other fields. If you are doing business, if your audience is here hanging around, you should check out other places also. So looks good. So even though you can see that analytics, how the analytics is going on for that Reddit particular option. So this is the love this tool because I get more like Reddit, Quora, because Facebook, Instagram, those are things I can get anywhere. But this particular segment is very special. He is targeting India. So we are the target for him. So this is the ad, lose weight without daily calories counting, Kelly. So URL, this the URL, basic URL, source URL, redirect URL, and final URL. So this is the place where it's going. Let's see that where is this going. So showing something GOV site. The effect of implement continuous energy reduction, weight loss, and disease risk marked random trial in young overweight women. That's the news. So now let's get back to Reddit candidate Quora lotu namukku nokam. So how Quora and Pinterest. So these are the some good segments. So this one like what is the truth about major laws? So something why belly fat is so stubborn. So these are the something you can see a diet plan that work for you. So it's kind of Healthify. So Healthify is running on Quora. So you can see that. Now there is an option when you go this you can get this brand a brand vechittu namakku search cheyam. So when we know that this is a Healthify, so we can try getting all the Healthify related keywords. So you can see that Healthify, so related all the keywords complete how they particular run. So even though I can go and I can look like Facebook na enganeyana Healthify. So what is the Healthify ad on Facebook? So complete sections മാത്രം നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്. So let's search for the Healthify. So Healthify is not there. So let's Facebook now run look for the Instagram. Anyways, Facebook we can go manually and check healthify.com. I see. So meanwhile, no, nothing found. Okay, let's get back to Quora. Quora കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്ക് Pinterest നോക്കാം. So you can see that it's Pinterest Healthify ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ നോക്കാം. Healthify is not running on Pinterest. So weight loss. So weight loss related products. You can see that this one keto, macro calculator, more product. These products like this. So these are the some products going the digest diet book. The book is also going on that particular section, and that's it. This particular tool you can just analyze, and there are some requests. You can create requests, you can invite friends, you can watch tutorials there, their Telegram group, share Twitter, copy URL, and book a demo. So all those sections will be there. You can use. So go and check out. This is free option is there, so you can just go and test it out. So we are using. You can see that we are getting all these things. So we are into $299 board. Dollar section. So that's it in this particular video. Video start Power Ad Spy for your spying your ads on social media, all other networks other than Facebook and Instagram. Hope you like this video. See you guys in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.